All right, welcome back, welcome, and welcome. So in this video, we are going to talk about functions. So all along, we've been using this main function here, and we never really talked about it. And that was all intentional. So because I wanted to get out of the way the basics of Kotlin. And we are progressing going forward, which means we are learning more advanced topics of the language. Now we're ready to learn about functions. So what a function is an enclosed entity that allows us to write code in this enclosed entity, and then whenever we want to invoke the code, the logic inside of the entity, we just call the function name. So here is an example of a function. So this is our main function, okay? That's our entry point. We create a function by saying minus 1 is indeed 2. You see now what's going on here? So we create fun, the name, and we have parentheses here, and inside we add actually parameters. And obviously we can add as many parameters we want. Okay, we can go ahead here and say num3, for instance, of type int again. In this case here, what we can do, we can go ahead and say minus, if we wanted, say minus num3, okay, and results. So in this case here, now we have an error because it says, well, no value passed for parameter number 3, which means we have to add something, another parameter here, because we've added one more parameter here, right? So now we're gonna say 1, for instance. Okay, if we save this and run, we should see a different result, probably 1. There we go. Yes, because 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 minus 1 is indeed 1. That's what we did here. Perfect. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. All right, so play around with this concept here, and I'll see you in the next video where we continue with this topic here of functions.